What's up everyone, my name is Aya Jack. I help driven young entrepreneur like you to enhance your confidence so you can pursue a life that you will truly enjoy. Today, you're going to learn the 5 tips that can make someone you just met never forget your name. And I need you to watch until the last tip because you will learn something you have never heard from anyone before. Let's get started. When you meet someone at a party, gathering, or conference, your first impression is the key to make someone remember who you are. If you didn't give them the right impressions at the end of the conversation, probably they won't even remember your name. So here are the 5 tips that can make someone you have just met to remember your name. Tip number 1. Appearance. Dress with purpose all the time. Imagine yourself as an Iron Man on the battlefield. Are you going to feel powerful? Or are you going to be able to beat your enemies in one click? And imagine yourself in an Iron Man suit as Tony Stark, partying all night wearing a good suit and tie. Are you feeling good with it? So what I'm saying here is, whatever you dress up, whether in a party, gathering, or conference, you must feel good about your outfit. This means you should not just dress it because that event is telling you to dress it like that. Think of it like this. Your outfit is your partner. It's part of who you are. And when you meet your new friends, your outfit is the one who's helping you to get the best impressions from that someone you just met. So in order to feel your outfit, you must practice at home. Look yourself in the mirrors, walk a little bit, and feel about yourself together with your outfit. Those outfits can be formal with suit and tie. For girls, they can wear gowns or dress which they think is best for them. This can help you to have the right confidence when you are at the event and have more values talking with someone new. This also can help you to check ahead of time if those outfits are good for you before coming to an event. Tip number 2. Spread your positive energy. This means your body language must create a positive energy. As a young entrepreneur, it is important to show people that you have a positive attitude so that your new friends will think of you as a valuable person and they won't feel wasting their time talking with you. You have probably heard about this. If someone knows a small thing about you, the tiny part they know about you, they will assume is what you like in everything else. So what I suggest is better to be yourself or be comfortable when you speak, because when you feel comfortable, your move, the way you walk, and how you talk can make your friend feel comfortable too. The best way to start creating a positive vibe is to create a proper eye contact, have a good wide smile, and a firm of handshake. Not too hard, not too soft, but just enough. Tip number 3. Ask good question. In here, one thing you need to do is to become a good listener, to ask interesting questions. I know it's always tempting to just talk and talk because you have so much to share. But if the whole night you're the only one who is talking all the time, your new friend might not leave you because you were talking about something he or she is interested about, or because they might think it's rude to stop you talking and leave that moment. Possible in the end, he or she might remember your name, but for sure, it will not be so long. So what I suggest is, if you want your new friend to remember your name, it's important that you need to be a good listener. Well, they are talking or sharing their stories. And in between, you can ask some interesting questions to give them more topics to talk about. This can make them feel special and get their validation from their heart. Remember, it's not about yourself, but it's about mutual communications and creating an interesting conversation. Tip number 4. Give compliments. What I'm saying here is, when talking with your new friend, give compliment to them on a certain time. This means you should not be giving your compliment always, because think of it like this: your compliment words are very precious. It's like you're given your blessing. You only give it to them, but not anyone else. As a young entrepreneur, giving compliment will show them that you're someone who's good in detailing and really listen to their story and can be a good friend in the future. So you have to use it wisely. Give compliment truly from yourself, because an honest compliment will stick to their mind and encourage them to be better. This is a good point for you and your new friend, because both of you are given values by letting them remember yourself. You are encouraging them to be someone based on your compliment. Tip number 5. Handle your social media page. This is the most important tip that I don't see people doing it or anyone talking about it. As a young entrepreneur, this is also a crucial point to success, because your social media page, whether it's Facebook, Instagram, LinkedIn, Twitter, YouTube, or web blog, etc., this is all are showing who you are, what you do, how you do, and why you do. Your social media page is everything the world sees about you. This is a place also your new friend will check when you're not there. It serves as your calling card, which can give them more information about you. After that, they will check your content if you have the right to continue to let them remember your name, or you're just someone who's faking about everything you just talk about. If you didn't have a good first impression, you can always try again to improve yourself to be better in here. The biggest problems is most of the young entrepreneurs underestimate this, or they fake most of it and wonder why no matter how they try to talk to other people, they never get a result. And I'm telling you that most of their profile picture is whether they're cat or dog, or it's something that people can understand. Worse, inside their social media feed, they whether have no posts or they have so many posts that it's just sharing posts or funny video that has no value. This will make your new friend think you are just boring someone, and probably you are just going to use them for something that you need. So I suggest change your profile picture to yourself and upload the right valuable contents that your friends would like to see, and stop faking your posts in your feed. This can help you to let your new friend know your true self and also help them to know about who you really are. So there you have it. Those are my 5 tips to make someone you have just met never forget your name. I really hope those help you. Remember, all 5 tips are important because the real successful people that have the most values are those who take care all their details. Now, I have something amazing for you. I created a blueprint which took me many hours to finish, and it's about the untold truth of that one things you never knew in your whole life. If you want to know what that one thing is, please click the link in my description down below. Also, if you enjoyed this video, please give me the like button and subscribe to my channel. I will be posting video every Saturday and Sunday night. Thank you and take care always. I will see you in the next video.